Very good. Tell me, what's your name?
My name is Max.
Oh, yeah. Tell me, Mark, how old are you?
I'm five.
5. Very good. Let's look at the numbers. Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice. I've got some balls here. Give me 3 balls.
1, 2, 3.
3 balls. Thank you. Now I want you to give me 2 balls.
1, 2,
How many balls here?
2.
Okay, give me 4 balls.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay, very good. Put the balls back. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much. Okay, we put the balls back. Good. Now let's talk about some words. Tell me, what's that?
Apple.
Good job. How about this?
Ant.
That's very nice. How about this?
Bus.
Bus.
Phone.
Ball. Very nice. That is
Cat.
cat. Very good. Oh, this?
Cake.
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 Very good.
Dog.
Dog.
Duck.
Duck. Very nice. That is
Egg.
egg. Very good. Boom.
Eye.
Where's the eye? This eye?
Eye.
Very nice.
Fish.
Fish. Good job.
Fox.
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 Very good. Amazing. Good job. Give me a high five. Boom. Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye, teacher.